Today, we are diving into a game-changing app that's revolutionizing the way businesses generate leads. Imagine having a tool that scrapes and generates business leads for you effortlessly using the vast database of Yellow Pages. Sounds incredible, right? Well, I am talking about Reune. You can download this app on Windows or Mac for free. It specializes in providing email verification and validation services. Their tools are designed to help you ensure that your email lists are accurate and up to date by verifying the validity of email addresses. This helps to reduce bounce rates, improve email deliverability, and maintain a clean and effective email marketing list. I have now downloaded this app, so let's explore it by clicking on Start Scraping Now. So here, you just have to select the site you want to scrape leads from. Next, enter your keyword related to the type of business leads you are looking for. After that, choose your target location to narrow down your search. Hit Start and watch as Reune does all the hard work for you. In just seconds, you have a list of high-quality business leads ready for you to contact. The list gives you important contact information that you can save, such as companies' phone numbers, email addresses, websites, etc. And you can also download it in a CSV file. Another great feature of this app is its ability to check the validity of email addresses in real time to ensure they are active and can receive emails. Just go to emailverifier.reune.com and sign up for an account. Here on your dashboard, you can immediately verify an email address. Just input the email address here and click Verify. This app can also detect and identify temporary or disposable email addresses that are often used for spam or one-time use. Let's try to get some temporary emails from an online temporary email provider. And as you can see, it has detected that it is disposable. But checking emails one by one can be time-consuming. But Reune has the ability to upload or copy-paste large lists of email addresses quickly. Let's click on Email Verification here. And I'm just going to paste the list of emails I have. And then let's click on Start Verification. The verification processing time depends on how large your email list is. In our case, it just takes seconds to finish. The results analysis is categorized into safe, risky, invalid, or unknown. The results are also downloadable in CSV or XLSX file, making it easier for you to manage and organize your email marketing list. And that's it! Generating business leads has never been easier. Give Reune a try today and supercharge your lead generation process. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.